You know that feeling when you're deep in a project, everything's going great, and then you get that dreaded question, how's the budget looking? Instantly, your focus shifts from creative momentum to a frantic search through spreadsheets, emails, and maybe even a few sticky notes. You're trying to piece together a financial puzzle that should have been right there, alongside your tasks. It's a universal pain point for teams everywhere. We love Asana for its ability to keep projects organized, to track tasks, and to give us that satisfying feeling of checking things off. But can it handle the other half of the project management equation? Can you really manage budgets in Asana, or is it just another tool you'll have to jump out of to get a full picture? That's the question we're tackling today. Now, let's be upfront. Asana isn't a dedicated financial software like QuickBooks or Xero. It's not going to replace your accounting team. But what if I told you that with a little creativity and a few clever setups, Asana can become a powerful and surprisingly effective tool for tracking and managing your project budgets? We're talking about more than just a vague budget status field. We're talking about a system that gives you real-time visibility, helps you forecast spending, and prevents those last-minute budget shocks. The key here is to shift your perspective. Don't think of Asana as an accounting ledger. Think of it as a dynamic, visual dashboard for your financial health. The secret lies in using its existing features in new and powerful ways. Let's start with the basics: custom fields. This is the cornerstone of our budget management system. Instead of just having a task, let's give it a financial identity. You can create custom number fields for things like estimated cost, actual cost, and approved budget. You can also use a custom single select or multi-select field to categorize costs, like marketing, development, or travel. This immediately gives you a structured way to capture financial data right where the work is happening. Now imagine this. You're creating a new task for a marketing campaign. You assign it, set a deadline, and right there, you add an estimated cost of $500 for a sponsored social media post. When the invoice comes in, you update the actual cost field. This simple step is revolutionary. It ties the financial reality directly to the work being done, eliminating the need to cross-reference with a separate spreadsheet. But this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when we start using Asana's powerful reporting features. Let's say you've got a project with dozens of tasks, each with its own estimated and actual costs. How do you get a bird's-eye view of the total budget? This is where saved searches and dashboards come in. First, let's create a portfolio. A portfolio is a fantastic way to group multiple projects together. You can add your Q4 marketing campaigns projects to a single portfolio and immediately see a high-level overview. Next, let's build a dashboard within that portfolio. With a dashboard, you can add charts and graphs that visualize your custom fields. You could have a bar chart showing the total estimated cost versus total actual cost for all projects in your portfolio. You could even create a pie chart to break down spending by category. This is where the financial visibility becomes real. With a quick glance at your dashboard, you can see if you're on track, if a specific project is over budget, or if you're spending more on one category than you anticipated. This isn't just data. It's actionable intelligence that helps you make informed decisions in real time. Another powerful technique is to use Asana's automations. Let's say you have a team that needs to get budget approval before spending. You can set up a rule that says, when the estimated cost is greater than $1,000, automatically add a subtask for budget approval and assign it to the project manager. This creates an automated workflow that ensures no significant spending happens without the necessary sign-off, saving you from a lot of headaches down the line. What about forecasting? Asana can help with that too. By consistently tracking your estimated costs and actual costs, you're building a historical record. Over time, you can analyze this data to see where your estimates are usually off. Are you consistently underestimating the cost of contractor work? Or maybe you're overallocating funds for travel. This data helps you refine your future project bids and budgets, making your financial planning more accurate and reliable. You can also use Asana's reporting features to track individual team members' time and associate it with a cost. While Asana doesn't have a built-in timesheet, you can integrate it with a time tracking tool like Toggle or Clockify. Once integrated, the time spent on each task is synced back to Asana, and you can create a custom field for hourly rate to calculate the labor cost automatically. This gives you an even more granular and accurate picture of your project's total cost. The key to making all of this work is consistency. Everyone on the team needs to be on board with the process. Make it a part of your project kickoff meetings. Explain the purpose of the custom fields and how they contribute to the overall project's success. Once it becomes a habit, this system will feel intuitive and will save your team countless hours and potential budget disasters. So, to answer the initial question, yes, you can absolutely manage budgets in Asana. It's not about replacing your accounting software. It's about creating a living, breathing financial dashboard that's integrated directly into your project workflow. It's about empowering your team with visibility and control, so you can focus on the work itself, not on chasing down numbers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.